Hey folks, it's Mike Sullivan at Seattle Mini, and today we're going to talk about the massage functionality in the 25 Minis that have electric seats. Okay, so most Minis come from the factory with the massage seats turned off, but if it has electric seats and it's a 2025, it has the functionality, and you're going to go to the apps tray, you're going to select vehicle to shorten it up, and then you're going to go and you're going to find seat comfort. Tap on that, and you're going to see that you can turn massage on right here. And then you can see underneath it the different ways you can have it work. Now notice it's the seat back only, not your behind. And you can have it an activation mode, which is for energy, a relaxation mode, which is for relaxing, a revitalization mode, and an invigoration mode. And I cannot explain to you how they feel differently, but they do. And then you can make it more or less intense. You can make the speed faster or slower. One thing you should note about the massage functionality is that it only goes for 20 minutes. So if you need to restart it, you need to restart it, and that's simple to do. And once it's turned off and you're driving along, you don't have to go back into the screen. Instead, just use the lumbar button on the side of the seat. And so the down button on this controller for the lumbar is the button you use. If this massage is going, press and hold it, and it turns it off. And the way you know it's off is that the screen will switch to the massage screen again to ask you to restart it. That's where you can also restart. As always, if you are in Washington, Idaho, or Montana, I am your local dealer, and feel free to reach out to me. If you are in Oregon or another state, reach out to your local dealer to ask more questions. I can be reached at 206-588-4216. That's 206-588-4216, or Michael at SeattleMini.com. That's Michael at SeattleMini.com.